Good afternoon, everybody. This morning we've been just laying around. It's raining outside. It's not a great day, but we wanted to make it a great day, so we're gonna go out and do some fun stuff. I'm not sure what Old Orchard Beach has stored for us indoor because because it's raining outside, and so the kids are so anxious to get out of here because we've been here all morning and just eating lunch, breakfast. We had, what else did we do? Edit video, and we also just played around. We played a little bit of video game. We brought our PlayStation, so the kids were playing the Cars game. We just bought a Cars video game, so that was exciting. And now we're gonna head out the door.
Well, we're not gonna let this rain ruin our day. It's gonna be a good day either way. We're at this awesome place called Joker's. We're in Westbrook, Maine right now. And the kids are gonna run around, get some energy out. I guess they got games, pizza, everything you could possibly want here. So we're gonna go have a blast.
Fun!
Are you guys ready for some fun?
Yeah!
Oh no, it's
Sunday 6:30, they close, hurry!
oh no, we gotta hurry. Go, go! What do you think of this place? Looks pretty cool so far. Wow, it's huge, huh? What are you guys doing? Wow, 2 Supermans and 1 bouncy house? You guys are gonna bring it to the ground. Whoa. Hey bud, you having fun? Well, I really like this place. They have a wicked good variety here. Not only, you know, a lot of places we have a place by our house, and it's one of them's like a jungle gym thing. It's just that, and it's actually pretty expensive, like $15, $16 a person. And then we have like a bouncy house place where you can go through and do the bouncy house, and you know, that's like 10, 12 bucks a person. But this place has the bouncy houses. They got an arcade, they got the whole play structure, they have it all in one, and it's actually very reasonably priced for all the kids, both the kids to do everything, all the rides and stuff, 20 bucks. So yeah, I think if we had a place like this, I would love to have it by our house. We'd go here all the time because they got it all in one too. It's got so much cool things here.
Who wins? 1 second, stop!
Ready? Oh! Austin's way faster. Go! Oh, Austin's 10 times faster. You're on top? Wow. Oh, he's tall. Yeah, taller than me. Hey, bud. Oh, does that come out here? There he is.
Did he change his name?
It's funny, me and Nima were looking around and we're like, we've been to this before. We've been to Joker's, but nothing at here looked familiar at all. It was like 2 levels. There was different like sections. They had like laser storm, a bunch of stuff built in, and we just realized we're like, this can't be the same building. There's no way this is the same spot. But it's cool. They got a lot of stuff still. It's just set up way different. We're looking around like, this doesn't look familiar at all, even though we've been here before. It's in this town, but it must have moved to a new building or something.
This is more like at like Chuck E. Cheese or something. That's what it feels like. It's not like Joker's.
Yeah, it's definitely not the same.
But it's still, you know,
Which, I mean, always was kind of similar to Chuck E. Cheese, but it was definitely cooler before. They had cool stuff.
No, best friend! Oh! Best friend, that's it!
oh, your best friend.
You have a new best friend? Oh, wow, that's exciting. Are you getting a massage without me? You just took all the cash I had and now you're getting a massage?
Oh, so good.
What the?
You want some?
I guess so. Oh yeah. This is the life.
So some people don't like chair massages.
I used to not, but I'm starting to like them more and more. Alright, I gotta give kids a little life lesson right now. Alright, you guys look a little hot and sweaty, huh? You guys playing hard?
Yes.
Alright, so I just cashed in, got $10 worth of tokens. You get $5 worth, you get $5 worth.
Thank you.
Once they're gone, okay? so you guys can go play games, and once those are done, that's all you're getting today, okay? So use them sparingly. Don't use them all in like 2 seconds, all right? All right. Let me zoom in on Nima. She's gotten like 25 minutes worth of massage so far. The whole time the kids are playing and everything. Look at her. She's relaxing over there. What, does she think this is vacation or something? Okay, good luck. Oh no, get it, Austin!
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
There you go, nice!
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my
Do
loo,
your dance!
skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, do do do.
Hold it back and then let it go. All the way back here.
Cats in the cream jar, do do do. Skip to my
Let it
loo,
go.
my darling.
Close. Daddy.
All these things to do, Austin's just running around rampaging things with a little car. Austin! What, they're gonna close soon, don't you want to play on something? Okay. Hey Austin, do you want to get a prize with these? Okay. What'd you get? You got lollipops? You spent all your tickets on candy? Is it good? Nice.
Yogurt will be closing in 5 minutes. So I was thinking we're leaving, but apparently we're using every second of stay here. So the kids are spending the 5 minutes in the jumping.
Yeah, we're gonna utilize the time, of course. And you're eating this lollipop? That's a prize here. That's what $5 worth of tickets get you.
Little thing. You can go to Dollar Tree and get like a whole lot of prizes like that, but no, this is special. They earn it, that's why. Hey, you went. What happened to your face? You just went to throw the water in the trash. What happened?
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Good afternoon, everybody. Today we decided to go to the beach, even though I'm not in my bathing suit, because I really didn't think it would be this warm, but it is beautiful weather out, and kids are over there enjoying the beach. And we didn't put any videos out yesterday because we're gonna combine yesterday's video and today's video together, because first of all, we vlogged beginning of the day, but then we left our camera at the in the car. Was it in the car or? Yeah, in the car, and it's kind of far away from where we went, so we didn't record. So we decided to combine today's day and yesterday's day together. So with that said, we're just enjoying the beautiful beach weather, because tomorrow I think it's supposed to rain, right?
Nice.
Okay, tomorrow is nice and Wednesday is nice, and then after that, rest of the week is supposed to rain. So we're gonna try to make it to the beach as much as possible and just enjoy our time in Maine. So Chris is having a little difficult time building the tent. We've got this tent. We had it a couple years ago and it was awesome when Austin was little. So we decided to get this again. I think it blocks out the sun and keeps a little bit of sand out of your bags and stuff. So I think Aiden is buried somewhere. Let's go find Aiden. Can you go find Aiden? Where is he? Oh. Who did that?
Aiden.
Aiden did that. You want to do it too?
Yep.
Yep. Are you gonna go touch the water? Swim?
whole life for this moment.
I know, we're here.
Go ahead.
Cool.
Hey, Austin, how is it? How's the water? Yeah, it is pretty seaweedy. Whoa, it's freezing too, ain't it? Yeah, right, I'm freezing. My legs are cold. Austin, look at Mom.
Watch out, watch out!
Did you get some in your mouth? How does it taste, Austin? Is the water good? No? Bad? It is kind of icky, isn't it? Careful, careful, bud, careful.
I can Austin can't stand still because we keep falling. Because of the wave. Too strong. Oh, there goes the football. You guys missed the football. Come here. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Ah, no, over there. Over there. Oh, get it, get it, get it. Austin had enough. Did you have enough? He had so much fun and now he's up here with me having some snack. What are you having for snack? What are we having for snack? Goldfish. And Chris and Aiden are still out there having fun over there.
Sandcastles.
They're making sandcastles? We'll see how big the sandcastle will be. You think Daddy's making a huge one? Yeah. Cool. Oh no, there's a monster attack! Oh, watch out! Oh.
What's up, guys? So we had an awesome beach day, fun times. Austin had so much fun trying to run away from the waves today. Build a sandcastle kind of failed on that, didn't work very well. We were just watching the Neverlanders live chat. We like hanging out with them whenever we can, whenever we're available. So yeah, they're fun. If you guys haven't seen the Neverlanders, go check them out. But they're always live streaming every day at 6 this month, Eastern Standard Time. So check those guys out. Everybody's starving. We're all hungry. We want to go get some seafood, so we're heading out the door right now and we're going to get some seafood.
Here we go! Here we are! Who's ready to eat some seafood? What are you gonna have, lobster?
No.
Why not?
How about a little crayfish?
Crayfish?
Little lobster?
Little crab? You want? That's the one I'm eating up there. It's okay. Good thing no one knows what you're saying. Look at the lighthouse! Austin! You'll get used to it. Daddy. Look at the lighthouse, how cute is that? I guess these are some of the menus. They're just right on the wall. And look at this place. It's huge! So big. So almost like, I don't know, like a bus station or something, right? Wow, look at all those menus. All these TVs have each menus, and there's a bar, there's different sections to sit down and eat. So we order there, and then we come all over here and pick up our food here. Hello.
We made it to seafood, guys.
Yes, I can't wait to eat this lobster.
Yeah, we ordered a feast today. Nima's got lobster. Actually, we're splitting a twin lobster meal. I'm getting lobster. Got clam chowder, this is my favorite soup. And in New England and Maine, best. We got all this other food, onion rings and fries. Kids got mac and cheese. They got, what, onion rings, chicken, so much stuff, so much food. And look at this view, how cool this place is. There's a huge marsh behind us, and we get all these birds watching us eat. This place is really cool. It's called the Clam Bake. And everything so far is excellent. So. Hey Austin, what do you think of my lobster? Look at this thing. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna crack it. He loves when I crack lobster. He's so funny. Is this gonna be the day that you try lobster today? No, not again. Maybe when you get older. Okay. What about you, Aiden? Want some lobster? No. Wow, not just them. Look at them up there too.
Oh my god, I'm serious.
Look at, throw them a fry. Look at their hopeful eyes right now, like they're gonna get something.
Hold on. Don't.
Uh-oh. You like that?
They catch it with their bottom.
Look at the view behind us, guys. So cool, so beautiful. The big ships out there. Go get him, Austin. Austin, go get him. Go chase him. Oh, Austin's scared. Austin, watch this. All right, Austin got really scared. He started running away.
So we decided to go out for ice cream, and look at our ice cream. This is small. It's called Dugout, and this is small. This is. Huh? These are such
Here's
a
your small ice cream, Aiden. What is Austin gonna do?
Oh my god, Austin gonna have a cup, thank god. Ask her for extra cup too, for mine. I can't eat all of this, but it tastes so good. I got blackberry raspberry or something, black raspberry.
You better put that camera down
so
and start
good.
eating, or else
I know,
we're
it's
gonna have
gonna
black raspberry seeds.